We're not gonna go out chasing any fast-moving raptors in this video. We're gonna take things a little bit slower and have a really good time. So come on, let's go. February in Florida. A little chillier than usual, but I'll trade the light fog and cooler temperatures for the mosquitoes that are usually feasting in the early morning hours. I did say light fog, didn't I? Who knows? Maybe we'll get to see the elusive Bigfoot. I hear Bigfoot loves this foggy weather. Or in Florida's case, it's not really Bigfoot. It's supposed to be called the skunk ape. Ooh, is that Bigfoot? No, that's just a palm tree. Hey, some days you get fog, and I don't think this fog is gonna lift anytime soon, but that's all right, because a friend of mine just called and he told me something really cool, so let's go check it out. Good morning, little ones. These baby sandhill cranes were born yesterday, and at just 2 days old, they might be ready to face the morning in spite of the chill in the air. It's tough work being a baby sandhill crane, especially when your sibling is busy ignoring you. Maybe if you flap your tiny little wings, you can get your sibling's attention. Go ahead, give it a try. Well, that didn't work either. Maybe if you act like you're sleeping, your sibling will get tired and join you for a nap. It's worth a try. Okay, maybe a little kiss on the cheek will do the trick. Sibling rivalry at its finest. These birds have got to work the wobble out of those legs somehow. It's like they're walking on jello, and this playful sparring is an excellent way to strengthen those long, spindly legs. But they ultimately decide it's best to work together in order to stay warm in the cool morning air. And not to mention, this makes for an excellent photo moment. Wow. But these two, they just can't sit still, and it isn't long until they are back at it with another healthy dose of dexterous, death-defying dueling and weak wobbly workouts for those rubbery legs. This looks a little familiar. Reminds me of my brother and I. While these two are still busy sparring, Mom is busy tidying up the nest. She's picking up tiny eggshell fragments, and not because they're messy, but because these tiny fragments make an excellent first meal for the young birds. But that meal is gonna have to wait because there's still some serious sparring to do. Uh-oh, someone is a little too close to the edge. And we have a knockout. It's kind of funny how the more aggressive bird ended up being the one that got knocked out of the nest. Oh. There's our champ now, standing tall next to Mom. You've got big shoes to fill, little bird. I guess I should have said you have a big beak to fill. You've got a long way to go, little one. But what happened to the other baby Sandhill? Of course, it eventually made its way back into the nest. It's good to see the whole family back together. This looks like one proud parent, and even though the sun has come out and warmed things up a bit, these two little ones are more interested in a warmer, more cozy spot that provides protection from any predators. Predators can't eat what they don't see, and these little baby sandhill cranes know a really good disappearing trick. Hey, where was that secret door again? While everyone is nice and cozy on the nest, Dad is out patrolling the pond and looking for food. He has two very hungry mouths to feed, and that's a full-time job. He's also keeping an eye out for anything that might want to eat those babies. If he sees something, he makes himself look big and powerful like this. A great blue heron was coming towards the pond. Was being the key word here. That display was enough to send that bird running for the hills. Back at the nest, and nap time is over, and I think these two have gotten all of the sparring they need for the day. It's time for them to do a little exploration under the watchful eye of Mom. Talk about getting your feet wet. That's the way to do it. Let's get some shots. What a strange perspective. Almost looks like some type of little alien creature with that long skinny neck. Who's that down in the water? Maybe you should get a closer look. Ah, there you go. That's you down there. Time to get back up in the nest with your sleepy sibling. Now that's a nice family shot. Dad is still on the other side of the pond, keeping predators away, and that open mouth can only mean one thing: feeding time. It's hard to believe and very hard to see, but right at the tip of Mom's beak is a tiny piece of eggshell, and that's what's on the menu. It might not seem like much, but that is what these chicks' first meal consists of. But one tiny piece isn't enough to feed those wobbly little legs. A second helping would be nice. And a nice little thank you beak tap. Have wobbly legs? Will travel. That should be what their motto is. They're starting to get a little more strength and balance in those legs. And now it's time for the other chick to get a nice eggshell snack. I'm not sure how that tastes, but I would think eggshells are a little on the dry side. A nice drink of water should help get that shell down, and with the excitement of a small child, this little one holds its wings out wide and makes its way towards the water's edge. What an awesome moment to be able to witness and capture as a single drop of water hangs from this young bird's beak. It's a big world out there, and these two birds will have plenty of adventures, but all of this eating, sparring, and drinking has made them tired, and nothing better than a nice nap in the warm sun right next to Mom. Hey, thanks for staying till the end. I hope you liked the video. I had a great time filming those sandhill cranes. It was a lot of fun to watch them learning how to navigate the world on their first or second day out. If you had a favorite part, let me know in the comments below. If you'd like this video, go ahead and share it. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can do that too. It's free. Got a lot of good stuff planned. I got a lot of good stuff I've already done. You can go check all that out. Don't forget to click the thumbs up and share this video. That's always very helpful. And Happy New Year to everybody. This is the first video of 2022. So Happy New Year, and until next time, I'll see you later.